Welcome to your second CCEA update.
I'm Karen Snodgrass and I teach 6th grade math here at Lakeview.
I'm Erica Myers and I'm the STEM teacher here at Lakeview. We, the teachers in the district, received the proposal the same afternoon as the community. Since receiving the proposal, we've been trying our due diligence to analyze the board's offer. This requires us to run scenarios of teacher salaries based on language provided. Unlike our transparent traditional salary schedule, as highlighted in our last video, Option 2 was opaque and required some deciphering to understand the language, and then time to work out any teacher salary would be over the length of the contract. We would like to share the process of Option 2 with the community to help you better understand what the board is offering, so you can ask thoughtful questions of the board during their informational session on January 31st. For those of you following along with the documents, we are referring to the differentiated compensation model as Option 2. For our example, we chose not to include the performance bonus or systems leader. There is considerable ambiguity around these positions, including how many of the teachers would actually qualify to receive these bonuses, who would be determining that qualification, by what metrics would they be determined, and the qualifications themselves. We are going to show you the math involved in finding the salary throughout the life of the contract for a teacher in Professional Classification 1 and Experience Year 5 in the 2018-2019 school year.
So here is our math example for somebody who's in Experience Year 5 and Professional Classification 1. In year 18-19, the year we're currently in, it's $49,204, and that's taken off of the traditional salary schedule, the Option 1 salary schedule. Everybody starts there. In year 2, so year 19-20, next year, the first thing we need to do is figure out, using this table, we need to figure out the difference from year 5 to year 6, the percent of difference. So first you find the difference, subtract, and then divide by the year 5 amount, and that gives us a change of 102.44%. Then we take that to figure out the multiplier. We multiply by the 1% on the base, which is 101%. So, and we get 103.5%. We take that 103.5 and we multiply it by last year's salary, and that gives us the 50,926. So in year 2, next year, our teacher would make 50,926. I'm not going to bore you with all of the math for the other 2 years, but there is the math that goes with it.
Terms that are unclear, math that is complicated, involving many steps are some of the reasons that teachers are skeptical of alternate compensation models. We want a clear compensation model that is objective and fair for all of our teachers. Because our bargaining team was not given the opportunity to ask questions to the Board of Education of their proposal prior to it going out to the public, we have concerns, and we would like to share them with you. First, as this video has illustrated, the second option of compensation is convoluted. As far as we can tell, the formulas are unnecessarily complicated, and it lacks the transparency of a traditional salary schedule. Additionally, there are significant issues in the proposed compensation language, which is vague in some places and undefined in other places.
The CCEA appreciates your support and encourages you to join us at the board's informational meeting on Thursday, January 31st to ask questions of the board's proposal.